Russia has been importing drones for months from Chinese companies such as those approved by the US for use in its war against Ukraine, despite denials from Beijing that such equipment was used in the conflict, according to Nikkei Asia, which said it was carrying out an investigation. Meanwhile, China reported exporting at least 30,000 drones to Russia, worth more than $32 million, from March 2022 to May 2023, according to its official customs data, the report said. Nikkei said it obtained records from multiple sources and also found Russian companies paid Chinese companies more than $1.2 million for devices that detect and disrupt drones, all with forms designating them for use in war, possibly to speed them through the customs process. Which found Russian companies imported more than 36 unmanned aerial vehicles worth around $103,000 between December 2022 and April 2023, which were described in customs records as for use in special military operations, the term Moscow used to describe its invasion. China's Ministry of Commerce claimed in April it would prevent all kinds of drones from being used on the battlefield in conflict areas and jointly promote international peace, but it was unclear whether the Chinese companies or government were aware of Russian customs records on drones.